Good evening everyone and welcome to the Q&A session 22 from the playlist of alternating current. The topic is the equation of instantaneous voltage in the household supply. So based on this topic I have one very simple question for this session which is written here on this board. So the question here is the power supply in a house is marked as 220 volt and at 50 hertz. So we have to write the equation of instantaneous voltage. So here 220 volt is the RMS value of the power supply. So VRMS is equal to 220 volt. The angle of the frequency is equal to 50 hertz, and we know that the equation of the instantaneous voltage in an AC circuit is given by V is equal to V naught sin omega t, where omega is the angular frequency which is equal to 2 pi f. So this is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 50. So its value will be equal to this is equal to 314. Now V naught is the peak value of the voltage supply, the peak value of the voltage. So this is equal to root 2 times the VRMS. This is the formula which we have studied in the previous sessions, and this is equal to 1.414 into VRMS is equal to 220. So this is equal to 220 into 1.414. This is approximately equal to 311. So the equation of instantaneous voltage will be equal to, that is V will be equal to V naught is equal to 311 sin omega t. Now here omega is equal to 314 into t. So this is the equation of instantaneous voltage of the power supply in a house. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session, that is in the session number 23, I will be coming up with a question which will be based on the relationship between the peak value of the current and the RMS value of the alternating current. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.